Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am DeForest and I'm an ICT student. I have been studying ICT concept for a year plus now, and I actually opened this channel to share everything related to ICT concept, and also for some of you guys that are finding it difficult to understand some of the concepts. I get to simplify it for you guys here. Alright, let's get started with today's video. So I want to share with you guys a secret confluence from the 2022 model, and I'm sure it will help increase your win rate. Okay, so I know that there are some of you that learn this model actually from the YouTube, but they still get it wrong when they go to their chat here. They still get it wrong. Okay, so don't worry, I actually got you guys. Okay, just stick to the end of the video and also take notes. I'm sure you will leave with something valuable. So let's go to our chart here. Let's go to our chart. So this is our chart. We are going to do a quick refresher about the model first before we'll start teaching it here. So the model says, I'm coming. Let's say this is our buy side liquidity. So this is our buy side liquidity. The model goes like this. When you have a buy side liquidity like this and market comes up, like this, comes down into a fair value gap or anything, then to the downside. So most of the time, most of us, we get this model very wrong. You get, in the sense that some of us, instead of waiting for this market to take out this buy side and also to tap into a PDRA over here, some of us will just wait for it. After the thing just takes out the buy side liquidity, they will just go into it. They will just place their trade. After they see a little retracement to the downside, they will just place the market. So they are just trading what pattern. They are not following the rule at all. So the rule is supposed to be like this. After breaking this buy side liquidity, after sweeping it to the upside, you wait for it to get into a PDRA over here. This PDRA here now, it can be in the form of fair value gap, either fair value gap, order block, breaker block, anyone at all that it gets to over here. After tapping into it, you wait for it you wait for a market structure shift here. After this market structure shift happens here, that's now when you look for your fair value gap. I'm coming. Market structure shift. Then you look for a fair value gap over here. Before you place your trade to the downside. And most of the time, normally when you're supposed to take this trade is around that kind, the London section, either from 2 to 5, and most of the time it happens that 3 a.m. above. You get, that's when you should be expecting something like this. Always remember, your buy side liquidity should be taken out first into what? A PDRA, then break of structure here. Not break, sorry, market structure shift here to the downside before you enter the trade. But the mistake that most of you used to do is you won't watch out for this fair value, this PDRA over here. You will not wait for it. You will not even check out if there's anything like that, because I've backtested this market for some time now. I noticed that, okay, if there is no PDRA over here, that's here now. If there is no PDRA over here, that's after this break. Most of the time, this market will come down into a fair value gap here. It's come down into a fair value gap here. It will just sweep into a fair value gap here. After taking out this side, then it will move something like this will happen. Something like this will happen, yeah? After sweeping into this fair value gap here, it goes up immediately. Immediately. Most of the time, this is what happens. Why? Because there is no PDRA over here. You get, and this is where you guys make your mistake. You just after the strip now, you enter your market here, not waiting for this market to break and come back into your fair value, entering it, or not waiting for a PDRA over here. This is what will happen to you. The market will stop you out, take you out ASAP. So with what we've done now, let's go to our chart and confirm it here. So something happened on, I think on Thursday this week. Thursday, yeah. I'm coming. So I'm on 1 hour time frame now, sir. So this is our low, Wednesday low here. I'm coming, let me use this. Okay. This is a recent low. You get, this is a recent low, and on a 4-hour time frame, there is this fair value gap over here. On a 4-hour time frame, there is this fair value gap over here. So when London section opened, which is from our 2, this is our 2 here. Let me come to the 30 minutes time frame so that it will be okay. So this is our recent low here. This is our recent low. This one here is our recent low. Recent low, then recent high over here. So this is also what? A buy side liquidity. Coming. Buy side liquidity over here. So this market took out this buy side liquidity into this fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here on the 4-hour. So it took out this liquidity into what? This fair value gap. So on the norms, we will do what? We wait for a break of market structure, a strong one for that matter, you get. And there was a news that dropped around this time here. So this market came down immediately. I know some of you. I'm coming. So that day, we waited for the market for the news to drop first. On the norms, we are not supposed to be trading on the news day, yeah? So, but in this case, we waited for this market to go down, and it was very obvious that the market was going to the downside here. After taking out this low, we took out the buy side first. This is a buy side liquidity. Okay, that's a buy side liquidity. Then we'll have what? Our sell side, the downside, yeah? So that's it here. So after taking out this liquidity here, this market came down. The displacement was very, very huge. So it came down big time. And the last candle here closed below this lower low here. So the next thing we'll do is what? Is to mark out our breaker block. This is our breaker block here, this one. So this is the last down candle before what? That took out this high. So we'll come out like this. So some of you guys, normally, anywhere you take this trade from here now, you are right. It will go your direction as long as every other thing is correct. So your entry, you can take your entry from anywhere here. Some of us, like me, I wait. This is a PDRA here. So me, I take my trade from the fair value. Something like this now. This trade, I took it from the fair value here. This fair value gap I saw here. So I placed this thing here. Like this. This is how I entered the trade that day. So my profits usually is 1 to 3 risk reward. So on a daily time frame, we'll have this low here, this previous low on a daily time frame. So you can even use it as your take profit. So to get up to what, 4 here, 1 to 4 risk reward is okay. Okay. So that's all for today, and I hope this will increase your win rate. Yeah, I'm sure it will increase big time, believe me. All right guys, this is actually my first video here, and I know it's somehow it's not really that perfect, but anyhow, the essence is just to teach you something here. It's just for you to learn from it. Okay, so if you have any question, you can leave your question on the comment section here, so I will answer it, don't worry. And also like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I drop a new video, you get to see it early. And also you can join my Telegram group. I'll drop the link below. I normally drop signals and also educative stuff there. Yeah, goodbye.